Need more hotspot data on T-Mobile? Here's how to buy add-on passes. Access the My T-Mobile app or website. Navigate to your account and find the add-ons section. You'll see various hotspot boost passes like $5 for 2 gigabytes or $50 for 100 gigabytes. Select the pass that fits your needs. These passes give you more hotspot data, which lets you share your phone's internet with other devices. Once purchased, the data is immediately available. Remember, these passes expire at the end of your billing cycle. These add-ons are perfect for travelers, remote workers, or anyone needing internet on the go. Watch how data usage increases and triggers alerts for add-on activation. Avoid surprise data overages by setting up usage alerts in the T-Mobile app. The app lets you track your hotspot data separately from your primary data, as shown in this usage summary. Configure notifications in the app to alert you when you've used a certain percentage of your hotspot data, like 80% or 90%. You'll receive push notifications as you approach your limit. T-Mobile uses AI to predict when you'll run out of data, providing proactive alerts. If you don't add more data, hotspot speeds will throttle to 128 kbps after your add-on is used up. By staying informed with real-time alerts, you can easily manage your hotspot usage and prevent unexpected charges.